Here she comes. Cooper, go see Lady.
These two are really good friends. That's Lady.
And Koopy.
And where's Cooper?
Over there.
There she is. They play with each other, except see how they kind of run back and forth?
Look at her.
But in the summer, come on, baby, they really kind of go crazy.
Oh. She can't get
Cooper's at a
this, no.
disadvantage because her legs are really tiny. Go ahead, baby, go play.
She's trying to
There
bust
you
one,
go.
but she can't.
Where'd they go?
They're behind the tree. There she goes.
Oh! Hi, Lady. Lady's like a little deer. Aw.
Best friends.
Give each other a little kiss.
So cute together.
Go play. Where is she?
Doesn't know what to do with herself. She's
Where is-
behind the tree.
Come on, Cooper. Come on, Koopy. Cooper.
Cooper.
Is she stuck?
No, she's.
Is she resting? There she is.
Ladies looking.
See, they're kind of stuck because normally they run back and forth like they're a mirror, side by side. There they go. Hold on. Well,
You look.
look at Lady.
There they go.
Lady's tail. You know, she wags her tail in a circle. Now that I don't know, they're stuck behind that stupid tree. There they go.
Cooper's trying to bustle, but she can't.
Come on, Cooper.
Stand
Come
up.
on, baby.
Come over here, Mom.
Hold on. Come on, Coop.
Come on, Kloofy. Cooper, come on. Hold on, I know what you're doing.
Come on, Cooper. Come. Come on, baby. Come on, girl. Come on, Cooper. Come on. Come for a treat. Come on.
Come on, Cooper.
Oh, they're playing now.
Come on. Come for a treat, baby girl.
Oh, she wants a treat. Uh-oh.
There goes Cooper.
Come on, Cooper. Come on, girl. There you go. Go.
Look at her. Come on, Cooper.
Good girl. Come on, baby.
Good puppy.
Oh, what a good puppy you are. Come on. There
Aw,
she
there
is.
Aw.
Hi.
Ew.
Where is
Cooper,
she?
sit. Come here.
Sorry. Cold still. There she is. Cooper, over here, baby.
Look at
Cooper. Oh.